Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel guys. So today, parang wala akong ginawa. Buong araw wala akong ginawa. Naglaba lang ako. Tapos hindi ako nagtrabaho guys. Yung trabaho ko nakapending pa dito. Saka parang napapagod ako sa kakaisip ang gagawin ko sa ano. Yung parang nakakapagod pala kapag yung utak na ang gumagana, di ba? Kaysa sa katawan, pag minsan nga gusto ko lang humiga, minsan gusto ko lang matulog. Parang napapagod yung utak ko. Dami ko pang gagawin. I'm going to the mall right now. I need to find shoes because I'm going to attend a baptism. So I want to search what kind of shoes I'm going to buy. I think it's white or something like beige. So guys, may tindahan guys. May tindahan. Oh, I'm collecting ano guys. I'm collecting this and also this utak. Sorry guys, to my room it's small and we sleep here on the floor and we cook here in my Emerplex ceramic. And I do this yesterday, so it's nice, yeah. I buy this from Shopee, and I put look at this. Meron pa akong sa gagawin. Yeah, I put here my Aqua Plus small one, and my Black & Decker heater, which is very small. I like it. And some tea. And later when I came back, I have a lot to wash, hand wash. Look at guys. Sorry guys. This is mess here. But I'm loving it because see, you can see when you wake up, you'll see the sunrise, and in the afternoon you'll see the sunset here at the back. So though this is small, but I love this place better than living in the downtown. This is 4,000 pesos per month, not included the water and the electricity. So I need to work because my salary is only 20k a month. So 20k out, 5,000 for the house. I don't, the food maybe like for a month, like 5,000 also. So, but I don't have savings, guys. I don't know where's my money going. Yeah. It's hard for me to save money. I don't know. Oh my God. Because when you have credit card, you spend at the end of the month, oh, this is all I need to pay. Usually I pay like 11,000. Because sometimes if there is something emergency like this, like last week, my son, he needs black shoes because the old shoes is very already, it's broken, like nahati na yung ano niya. So I ran directly to the mall here in SM. So I bought like 1,700 black school shoes. And sometimes I don't know where my money going. I really don't know. I try to save maybe since I start working like last year, January, February. I start working I came home last February and I start working on March. March, April, May, June, July, August, September. My savings is only 5,000, guys. My savings is only 5,000. Imagine that. My salary is 2,000, 20,000. It's not enough, yeah. It's too much expensive now. When I go to the mall, I need to bring 1K every time I go to the mall. So there's something that I buy which is not necessary, but I cannot help myself to buy. And also I'm so fond of buying some, accessories like earrings. I have more collection from earrings. Yeah, it's only 150 each, but still. But bags, I don't buy more bags because I'm not fun with the bags. I can go with one bags. Kahit balik-balik, it's fine. Sometimes, okay, guys. When I go down here, I went to the okay. And I spent like sometimes 100 or 150. Yeah. And also for skincare, usually I only wear pants and sunscreen. If I have enough money, I buy vitamins like, the vitamins that mostly women take. Really, it's really hard to budget money. It's and then those people in the government spending a lot of money, which is not their, which is not belong to them, by the way. Tapos tayong mga Pilipino, wala tayong yung rally sa Maynila, wala din naman nangyari. Wala din, hindi natin napatalsik yung Pangulo. I really against with the Pangulo right now. I'm sorry to tell this, you guys. I'm not fan with him. Even though before my friend asked me to vote for him, no, I didn't vote him. I vote Senator Bongo. So, I'm not fan because I know these people. They're just making us. They're just pulling us, by the way. So hopefully God, Mama Mary will help us. Hopefully God will help our country, Philippines, to recover. Hopefully by next election. I know there's a lot of anti-Duterte here, but I am a pro-Duterte, guys. Sorry. So, my number one senator is Marcoleta. So, seeing now, of all the senatorial, there is only the one who are outstanding. Yung matalino, may prinsipyo, yung ganun. Yung iba, para lang sunod-sunuran. Kung ako nga, ayoko nang bumuto sa mga ganun, may mga bobo na yun. Talagang yung mga mukhang pera, yung talaga pera-pera na lang talaga. Diba? Buti pa I'm not saying that si Duterte is really the best president, but for me, he is. Because sa time niya po, marami po siyang nagawa. Marami po siyang kahit hindi man siya yung presidente na nakikipag-ugnayan sa ibang bansa. Kasi hindi po siya yung gano'n yung tao. Hindi siya yung parang pretending. Ayaw po niya na pretending niya Hindi po siya yung nang na para, hindi katulad po ng nitong administration na pakitang tao. Ang ganun. Ayaw ni Digong ng ganun eh. Straight to the point si Tatay Digong eh. So, I love my Tatay Digong. I hope he will go home sooner or later. Thank you guys. Hopefully, I'm going now. My camera is open. Hi. I'm leaving the house. Later I will cook batong. Adobong batong. Bye guys. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you for all the people who subscribes. I know I have a lot of basher there because I am pro Duterte. But, one day you'll realize why I am a pro Duterte. Because, yeah. Thank you guys. See you on my next video. This is Maria. Ang taba ko na guys. I'm already 70 kilos. I need to lose weight. Bye guys.